Hello and welcome to Old Dominion Kitchen. Today I will be making strawberry jam. It only has two ingredients, and that is strawberries and sugar. And I gotta say, this is the best strawberry jam I've ever tasted. To prepare the strawberries, start by cutting the top off of each one. Then cut each one up into small pieces and place them into a bowl. Now that all the strawberries are cut up, get your hands in there, mash everything up. I forgot to film me adding sugar, but at this point you'll want to stir it in and let everything sit for 30 minutes. This will pull a lot of liquid from the strawberries, which is exactly what you're going to want. Now let's head over to the stove and start heating this up. We're going to cook this down until it reaches the gel stage. To test to see if I've reached the gel stage, I'm going to use the chilled saucer method. This requires having a few small plates in the freezer ahead of time so that they are completely chilled. Using one straight from the freezer, place a small amount on it and place it back in the freezer for 30 seconds. If it comes out of the freezer still runny, cook it some more and then retest. Now that the cooking is done, let's get it into some jars. Now we'll boil them for 10 minutes. get them out to cool to room temperature overnight. I hope this has tempted you to get into your kitchen and make some for yourself. If you liked this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. So long and happy cooking.